everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I'm going to be combining my July favorites along with my top 10 summer essentials. And I will be talking about a ton of great products that I absolutely love and have been using a ton this summer. If you guys have a summer must-have, definitely let me know what some of your summer must-haves are. And also, as always, I will have as many of the products mentioned in this video listed down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. And without further ado, let's get started. Starting off, I'm going to dive into the beauty, makeup, and skincare products I have, and I actually will be showing 6 of them. And the first one is this, and this is a foot file, specifically a nickel foot file, and it is by the brand Probell. I did go ahead and stick it back in the packaging just so you guys could see, but this is just what it looks like, and it is actually double-sided. This side right here is a coarse side, and this side right here is a medium side, and this is simply used for your heel to help scrape off all the dry skin and make them smooth. One of my biggest insecurities for some reason is my heels, which makes no sense because very few people are looking down at my heels. However, ever since I gave this a go, they are definitely a lot smoother now. Obviously, they aren't 100% smooth. However, it makes a huge difference. And in total, they have 5 colors. I obviously have the purple one. The one thing you want to remember about this is to never use it on wet feet. You always want your feet to be 100% dry. When you use this, you want to start off with the coarse side, which helps remove all the dryness and calluses. And then after that, you are going to go ahead and switch to the medium side to buff it and smooth it out. It's kind of like those square nail blocks where you file your nails and then you buff them and smooth them out, except it's for your heel. And I've absolutely been loving it. Another product I've been loving is this Coola sunscreen. I've been using Coola products for probably 5 or 6 years now. I have featured them many times here on my channel. I absolutely love all the products they offer, and I am someone who has very reactive skin to the sun, so it is really important that I wear a ton of sunscreen, and there is a list of ones that I swear by, and this is definitely one of them. This one specifically is the SPF 51, and it is their classic body sunscreen in Guava Mango. And a little hack with these is that they actually carry them at Marshall's, and you can get them a lot cheaper there than you can from the actual Coola website or anywhere else. Next up is this. This is just the Noxzema Classic Clean Cream, and I recently learned a little life hack about this, which is why it is making an appearance, because I've been using it a lot this month. Obviously, you can use this in your normal skincare routine. You put it on and then you wash it off. You can put it on dry skin or wet skin, and then after you just wash it off. And a really super duper helpful life hack is that this works great on sunburns. It is way better than using aloe. It gives you instant relief and it feels so good. It doesn't matter what sunscreen I use, and it doesn't matter how many times I reapply it. I always get sunburned. Another sun related product is this, which is actually a sunless product, and it is also a product that a ton of people are talking about recently, and it is the Tanologist Self Tanning Drops. I decided to jump on the bandwagon of giving them a go, and let me tell you, this is the best self tanner I have ever come across. I have quite the collection of self tanners. If you guys would like to see a collection of them, definitely let me know, because I would love to show you guys my entire collection and tell you guys which ones I like and which ones I'm not a fan of. This one is definitely at the very top of my list, and what's great is that they're for your face and your body. I am a pretty pale person, so I went with the light one, and all you do is mix 2 to 12 drops of this with your favorite moisturizer, depending on how dark you would like your tan to be, and it will gradually turn into a tan. And I just really love the ease of use with these. I have 2 other beauty related products, and they are actually makeup related products. The first one is this, which kind of goes along with everything I've been talking about thus far. It is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer, and it has broad spectrum SPF 30, and what's great about this is that it is safe for sensitive skin. And lastly are 2 products, but I'm actually just going to show them as one, and it is a red lipstick from Becca Cosmetics. This is the lipstick I have been absolutely loving. I wore it for the 4th of July July, and ever since then I've been wearing it a ton. I have literally just been doing my makeup when I'm bored and wearing this because I love how much of a true red it is, and it is in the shade Scarlet. And with that, I have been also using a lip liner that is super close to the same color, and it is also by Becca Cosmetics, and this is just their lip liner in the shade Fun. I love how long this lasts. I love how pretty the color is, and I also really just love the packaging for some reason. I have 4 products left, and 2 of them are clothing related, and then 2 of them are pretty random. Starting off with the clothing are these bralettes from Walmart. They're by the brand No Boundaries. I'm mentioning that brand from Walmart all the time here on my channel. They make my favorite leggings of all time and a bunch of other products I love. However, I don't really use it as a bralette. I use this more as a swim top, and it works absolutely fine as one. It does have removable padding on the inside. I leave mine in, and this year I've had a really hard time finding bikini tops that fit, especially with dressing rooms in my area still being closed. And when I came across these, I decided I'm gonna try wearing it as a swim top, see how it goes, and let me tell you, I went out and bought a ton of others because I love it. I really like wearing this one with a pair of high-waisted black bottoms, and this is just what the back looks like. The bralette itself is all seamless. The other clothing related product is a pair of shoes. These are my Keens. I believe these ones are the Whisper sandals, but I've had these for a few years and I wear them all the time during the summer. They are really great because they are closed-toed. They have a really nice tread on them. They are also waterproof. I literally wear them to the lake, to the beach, to the park. I wear them kayaking. I wear these for every occasion. Obviously, mine are just in a really light gray color along with a nice turquoise. I don't believe you can get this color combo anymore. However, they do have a ton of others to choose from. And if you are someone who does a lot of summer activities, I highly recommend investing in a pair of these. They are a little pricey. However, they are worth every penny in my opinion. Lastly, I have 2 random favorites. The first one is a drink. This is the Celsius Live Fit Peach Vibe Sparkling White Peach Limited Edition Energy Drink. I absolutely love this. I was on the hunt for it for the past month and a half, and I finally found it at Target. It basically just tastes like a peach iced tea, and I love it. I am a huge Celsius energy drink person, and I have mentioned them here on my channel. The grape flavor is my favorite original flavor that they carry all the time, and for those of you who don't know, this is essentially a healthier form of an energy drink. A few of the nutritional statistics and things for it is that this one specifically has essential energy, it accelerates your metabolism and burns body fat. It is also gluten-free, vegan, there is no high fructose corn syrup, no aspartame, no preservatives, and no artificial colors or flavors. There are also 7 essential vitamins, and digging a little deeper into the nutritional label, there are 10 calories, 2 carbs, no sodium, and no sugar. And by no means do I have one of these every day. However, if I'm having a really sluggish day, I do really enjoy having one of these. And lastly is a little wallet. This is just what it looks like. It literally looks like one of the mini Michael Kors wallets that you can put on a lanyard or with your keys. I did go ahead and take all of my stuff out so that I could actually show you guys. It is made out of an imitation Saffiano leather, which is what the Michael Kors wallets and bags are made of. And if you've been on here a while, you've probably seen the other wallet that I talk about and rave about here on my channel. This is essentially the same exact thing except a very mini version that I absolutely love, and I literally got this on Amazon, and it is by the brand Forever For You Fashion Accessories, and I have been just carrying this around on my keys so that I do not have to carry an entire wallet around with me. It has an ID pouch along with a credit card pouch on this side, a credit card pouch on the top, along with 3 vertical and 1 horizontal on the back, and then it also has a little zip pocket that you can put cash and coins in. So those are just my top 10 summer essentials and favorites for the month of July. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you guys have summer essentials, definitely let me know what they are in the comments down below because I would love to hear. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I upload new videos regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!